Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. So today I am making coquito. This is a Puerto Rico drink, okay? So if you want to see it, be sure to keep on watching. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's make it. Because this is an authentic recipe, I am going to start by making my tea. I am adding ginger, star anise. You can add cinnamon stick in there. I didn't have any, so I'm using the powder. I'm adding some nutmeg as well, powdered cloves, and let it simmer until the water reduces to 50%. Once your water is 50% diminished, you're going to strain it into a strainer and put the tea on the side so it can cool down. Now in this blender, I am going to add my coconut milk. Next, I'll be adding my coconut cream. And last, I'll be adding my condensed milk, okay? Now we're going to add our vanilla extract. I will be adding about 2 tablespoons. I am going to add some more nutmeg, some more cinnamon powder, and now I am adding my tea. And then we're going to blend that together, okay? Once you're done, just blend it together until everything nice and well combined. Now this is optional. You can add alcohol, which I am going to add alcohol to it. I am using Caribbean rum. You can use vodka if you have some, but just add that in there, blend it again, and basically this is your coquito. It's so easy and it tastes really good. No, this is not crémasse for all my Haitian people out there. This is not crémasse, okay? This is coquito, and it takes less time to make than crémasse. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Be sure you guys subscribe if you like the recipe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next recipe. Bye.